thing is massive.
12-inch carbon fiber cap.
Awesome. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Single 24.
Single.
Here, Jacob.
Wow.
Move the seat up. Move the seat up.
Here, Mike.
You used to have a single 18?
Yep.
I remember now. Wow.
Used to be the single Zv5, single Zv5 18, and then I started testing 18s for Jacob, and I did a XV3 and the Zv6 prototypes, and then I told him enough was enough. I needed to go ahead and get my shit in there.
Yeah. Wow.
And this motor is the first production motor that we ever had in the building.
Is that an NSV5 or 4.5?
It's an NSV4 prototype,
okay.
And I bought it unmagged, and I made the 4.5 adjustment, and then had it magged.
Wow.
Little backstory though, all of the old copper poles were made with N48 magnets. We don't have N48 magnets anymore, we have N52s, so this is the only copper pole made with N52s.
Okay.
And it's the only copper pole that's 4.5, period. Because they're all magnetized and you can't take them apart.
Awesome. What is it rated at?
2500.
Okay.
I have no idea what I'm pushing to it.
Yeah.
Because I've clamped this at 6200 watts at half ohm on the Zv6.
Okay.
I dialed the gain back by hand a little bit because it fried the Zv6, so I wanted to make sure I don't fry the 24.
Yeah.
But
so your run actually ran down to what, half ohm right now?
half ohm.
Okay.
and that's a 24.
Jeez. That thing is like clean, no distortion in the lows too, so.
I don't know how.
That's awesome, man.
I don't know, because the fun thing is a Nightshade 24's never been made. So
No, so it's definitely a rare
it's
entity.
one of those like, well, I know what a ferrite would sound like, but
Yeah.
Neos sound different than ferrites, and there's no comparison.
This is awesome.
It's crazy.
Thanks for showing me, man. What was your name?
Charlie Dickerson.
Charlie.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Awesome, man. Appreciate the demo. Hey, one other thing. Are those 8s or 10s, those ports?
8s. It's
Okay.
2 different versions
Yeah.
of the 8-inch ports, and
Okay.
I already have 2 on order to replace them, so they'll be the same.
Got it. Okay.
But yeah, 2 8-inch ports. The tuning is down at like 23, 22.
Yeah.
And that
Okay.
was 25, 29 that I played.
Wow. Nice. Thing is massive.
12-inch carbon fiber cap.
Awesome.
I put a picture up on Facebook when I had it built because we had a Nightshade 12 sitting next to it on the skids, and I was like, wait, the outside of that 12 is the same size as my cap.
Yeah. Yep.
This is absurd. It's retarded, and I love it.
Thanks for showing me, man.
everybody, this is Jacob Vile, ending this video with a thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.